Today, we will demonstrate to you how to use the RJ45 tool. Now please welcome the three main characters of today onto the stage. Take your cable, and gently rotate it around the outer jacket about an inch. Pull the jacket off, to expose the inner twisted pairs. Next, untwist the pairs and straighten out the wires. Now, for a standard T568B wiring, which is the most common, arrange them in this exact order from left to right. Now, carefully insert the wires into the RJ45 plug. Make sure every wire slides all the way to the front of the plug. You should see the very ends of the wires at the very top of the clear plastic plug. That click means it's done. The tool has pushed the gold pins through the insulation of each wire, creating a solid electrical connection. It's an essential skill for any home network setup, gaming rig, or office install.